Hi, are you having problems with your hair growth? Are you looking for a natural way to boost your hair growth? Well, today we're going to talk about 4 powerful reasons why you should use argan oil for hair growth. First up, argan oil is packed with vitamin E and oxidants that will deeply nourish your scalp. A healthy scalp is key to promoting new hair growth, and argan oil gives the nutrients that your scalp really needs to thrive. The second reason, it strengthens your hair and reduces breakages. Argan oil strengthens your hair from the root, from its tip. By reducing breakages and split ends, it allows your hair to grow longer, thicker, over a period of time. So that's really great, isn't it? Third, it repairs damaged hair. One of the top benefits of argan oil for your hair growth is the ability to repair damaged hair. If the heat from styling or coloring has left your hair feeling weak, argan oil can revitalize it, restore it, help it regrow with its nutrients. And finally, the fourth reason, argan oil stimulates your hair follicles, encourages faster and healthier growth. It helps boost the circulation, which again means hair growth, giving your roots the strength to grow and grow new strands. So you can see that argan oil has many benefits for your hair growth. Make it part of your daily routine. You can even use argan oil shampoo and conditioner. So we encourage you to ring the bell, to check the description for more information about argan oil, and also to subscribe for more great information about argan oil and hair growth. You have a good day today. Bye-bye.